Hello Hello，
好，
你们这里是 generator 还是 inverter？
Inverter generator 也有 gasoline generator 还有 diesel generator。
我来看一下你们的 inverter generator。
Inverter generator 什么样子
This one? How much? This one, right?
？Yes, yes.
How much is it? 1000 RMB. This one?
Small one. 1200.
Oh, so an inverter like this, what can it power?
It's 1 kilowatt. This is 2 kilowatt.
Yes, can it power 2-bedroom apartment?
No, I'm not sure your house how many how many AC, how many.
Because I'm not sure either, so I want to know exactly how it works. I need to calculate, right?
I will switch power.
但是呢 according to you in China, how many what can you do? In China, 在中国的话，可能 what can it power in China? 2-bedroom apartment with fridge 可以吗？
不行，这个1000瓦带不了那个。
带不了是吧？只能
你像这款，你说4000瓦我带一点空调，
对，
这条就是1.5P 的空调，知道吗？就小
1.5P
挂在
空调，
对 AC。
OK。
1.5P 的 AC 可以带一台。
Okay, 好了，谢谢。So they have inverters, they have gasoline, and they have fuels, and they have like normal petrol, and they have the diesel version over here. Look at that, it's so huge, right? They have everything. So let me know if you want any of them in the comment section, okay?